Okay, guys, listen to this. There's a sound screaming. It's like a scream. It's so freaking loud, and it's coming from up in the air, like up there. It's been going on now. What is that? I swear I saw like this thing when the lightning was flashing a second ago. What the fuck? Dude, that's coming from like up in the sky outside of my apartment. It's gonna do it. Listen. What is that? I haven't heard it like that yet. Gene, check this out. Listen. This is coming from the sky above my apartment. It's been going on for half an hour. Hold on. It's coming from up in the air. What is that? That's so scary. It sounds like someone's screaming. Then it sounds like a bunch of like Indians whooping in the distance. Whooping in the distance. And then you get these sounds. Sounds like a bottle rocket. Like a decompression or something. And then like a warble. It warbles for a while and then it just goes quiet and then it just screams, blood curdling, and it fills the entire sky. And it echoes again. You can hear it in your ears. Like feel it in your eardrums. Oh, that is just the scariest fucking death scream. What is that sound? Alright, I'm going back inside.